How to create new Facebook account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create or make new Facebook account step by step. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do, just open the Facebook app, and here you can see the option get started. Simply click on get started, and here you have to enter your name. Okay, so let me just enter my name here. Okay, now click on next option, and here you have to select your birth date. Okay, so let me just select a random birth date here. Let me just select it. Okay, it's done. Click on set option. Whatever your birthday is, just you need to select it, and then click on next option. And here you have to select your gender. If you're a female, if you're a girl, then click on female. If you're a boy, then click on male. So I'm a male, I will just click on male. Now click on next option, and here you have to enter your phone number, and then click on next. Okay, and then here you can see help me login in, continue creating account. So you have to click on continue creating account. Simply click on it, and here you have to enter your password. Okay, whatever password you are familiar with, just enter it. Let me just enter my password here. Okay, I have successfully entered my password. Now you have to click on next option, and then hold on for a few seconds. Here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So if you want to save, just click on save it, and then click on not now. Okay, click on I agree, and then hold on for a few seconds.
Enter the code from your SMS.
So it's done. So simply to click skip it for now, and then here you can see welcome to Facebook testy. So just click on not now option, skip it. Afterwards you can add your profile picture, bios and everything. Okay, just skip this, and then here this is my Facebook account. So this is how you can create a Facebook account. Thanks for watching.